Hey guys, welcome back to my Industrialist video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make products of raw copper and raw iron. First we're going to be using raw copper and then raw iron. You're going to be using a variety of machines including the electric furnace, ingot molder, press and roller. Okay, I'm going to show you how to make raw copper and raw iron like I did in the last video. Over here you can see the copper and iron drills. These are how you make raw copper and raw iron. I'm not explaining the rest, watch my last video. Let's get started now. As you can see, I'm searching for an item spawner so that I can spawn in raw copper for myself because I'm playing on sandbox mode. In the real game you would actually have to earn it yourself, by using a copper drill, but I'm too lazy to do that because I already did that and I don't want to make base materials again because it sucks. Anyway, I've now got the item spawner working and I'm looking for something called an electric furnace. This will take that raw copper that you learned how to make last video and turn it into liquid copper, ready to be made into ingots. Now I'm searching for something called a developer solar panel, which is basically infinite energy, and it's an exclusive item that you cannot earn unless you play in Sandbox Mode Plus. In other words, I'm too lazy to make unsustainable energy. Okay, so I just powered the electric furnace. It will now start making liquid iron. You can see the animation actually to know if it's working or not. That little bar switches between red and yellow, and also the machine itself starts releasing smoke. That's like a universal way to tell if a machine is working. Most machines give off smoke when they are. Okay, just placed on the ingot molder. Once I connect the two machines and I power the ingot molder itself, it will start making iron ingots, copper ingots, ready to be made into plates. Okay, I just placed the ingot molder. Should start making plates. Yeah, it does make Minecraft anvil noises. Okay, I'm about to place the roller. Why is it not making anything? Okay, there we go. Okay, let's go ahead and sell it now. Okay, selling copper wires now, great. Alright, now we're doing the copper side. Let's move on to iron now. Oh boy. Anyway, I decided to cut up to the part where I made iron ingots because it's the same process of electric furnace and then ingot molder. Well, that if you put iron ingots into a roller, then you can actually make nails, which is used for chair production. But for that you need nails and planks, and we haven't made planks yet. Video on that in the future, by the way. There's the iron ingots. I'm going to place down a press now to make the iron ingots into plates, just like how we did for copper. Now it's making iron plates. You can actually turn iron plates into this material called iron plate squared by putting it into another press. It makes $295.8 per piece. Early game, it's probably one of the best items to sell for money. But since I'm trying to make coils, which I just hovered over right now, I won't actually be making it. I'm just informing you about it, yeah. Now I'm putting those plates into a roller. Instead of making iron wires like it did for copper, it's going to be making iron coils, which you can also sell. That's like the only point of iron coils. Now at least, because you can make filters in the future by using iron coils, coal, paper, and either sand or gravel. And for those items you don't know how to make yet. Anyway, enough about sand. I just sold the iron coils. And that's basically it for today's video. So yeah. Today you learned how to make liquid copper, copper ingots, copper plates, and copper wires. And for iron, you made liquid iron ingots, iron plates, iron plate squares, and iron coils. And also nails, can't forget about that. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one.